Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to find someone on Telegram by phone number, and now let's dive right in. Now to find someone on Telegram by phone number, you can do it from two ways. Either you will be required to save that phone number on Telegram. You can see, let's open up the Telegram app first. And after opening your Telegram app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is a pen icon and a camera icon. If you scroll down, that camera icon and the pen icon will vanish, but when you scroll up they will be available for us. Let's do that again, and you can see the pen icon and the camera icon. Tap on the pen icon, and over here you will be able to create a new contact by tapping on the person with the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Again, tap on it and save your friend's phone number and your friend's name over here. By that way, guys, that contact will be created on Telegram, and if that contact has installed and registered on Telegram, then you will find that person on Telegram by this phone number. Another way is, guys, let's close the Telegram. You'll be required to save your phone number on the phone section or your phone contacts, or open up the dial pad, enter your friend's phone number over here, whichever may it be, and after that save that number on your phone and by creating a new contact. And if that contact has registered on Telegram, they will be available on the Telegram's contact section. Let's open up the Telegram, and at the top left you can see there's a three-lined icon. Tap on it, and over here you can see the contacts. All of the persons who have registered on Telegram will be over here. By this way, guys, you will be able to find someone on Telegram by phone number. And guys, this is how to find someone on Telegram by phone number. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.